right, so we're here in somewhere, and we're at the Red Hill Fire Tower trailhead, and there's this one lane forest road, and there's my Honda Civic, and this is the parking lot for the trailhead, and we drove by it, and of course we just kept sliding down this, and then we got to where the dead end sign is, and we tried to back up, and we just started sliding again. So we managed to find a spot where we could turn around, but there were parts where I thought my car wasn't going to make it up the hill, and this is a seasonal use highway where they don't plow it between December and April, and oh boy.
You're just gonna slide.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. Dang.
Good morning. It is 9:40 on December 9th. We're about to hike the Red Hill Fire Tower, where it's a sundown wild forest preserve. Matt's still with me. This is a short trail. It's only about 700 feet in elevation gain. Here we are. We're going just right here. Here's a picture of the sundown forest. 2 days ago when we were hiking, it was definitely winter, but we are definitely winter hiking now. Yesterday we drove out to Lake Placid, about 2 hours away from where we're staying, and it seemed like as soon as we got through Kane and started going up near Cascade Lake, we went into a winter wonderland. About 18 degrees, there's snow all over the place. They should have pencils here.
Yeah, I agree. I was just thinking of that because it wasn't cooperating.
So we came from that way. That's the Dinch Road trailhead, and now we're meeting up with the Denning Road trailhead, and to the fire tower from right here is 0.6 miles, and we got to follow the blue trails, and we were formerly following the yellows. Alright, so we just came from that trail, and there's a full cabin that's open until October. It closes Columbus Day. I believe it opens sometime in June. Red Hill, $29.90. Here's the fire tower. There's a couple picnic tables up here. We use the Dinch Road Trail, so it's a little shorter. There's also this, what I would assume is supply shed and outhouse. Toilet paper, and it's actually stocked. Some air fresheners, a light, the toilet itself. This is a good one. This is a lot better than the other two we've seen. No camping, no fires. Here it is, the Red Hill Fire Tower. It's 60 feet tall, 9 sets of stairs, constructed in 1921. It's the last one to have been used in 1990. According to the DEC website, if you get up to the top, you have unsurpassed views of the high peaks of the Catskills. Let's go check those out. So here at the top, once again, it's locked. I'm gonna switch my camera around for the unsurpassed views. Here they are, the unsurpassed views of winter in the Catskills. All right, so we're back down here at the trailhead for this trail, and now we're gonna drive. We're gonna drive to the next trail, and oh, that was weird. So it's the next day, and we're on our way to Hadley Mountain to climb that fire tower. But we stopped at the Hadley Bow Bridge. It's a bow bridge which is listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1977. It was built in 1885 atop masonry built foundation to replace a burned timber bridge in 1813. Good morning, it is December 10th. It's about 8:50 in the morning. It's about 30 degrees, and we are on Tower Road walking towards the Hadley Tower Trail. I know 2 minutes ago I said we were going to the next trail, and then it is now the next day. To get out of that trailhead that we went to yesterday for Red Hill was such a harrowing experience because we had to fight going up ice, and then all my lights on my dashboard came on, and my ABS light was on, and my brakes were starting to stink, so we decided to just call it quits for the day and head home. So now we're back, and we're sick of driving to the Catskills every day, so we're in the Adirondacks Park, and we're going to Hadley Mountain. All right, after 1¼ miles, we're here at the Hadley Fire Tower Trailhead. There's a sign-in box up there, but it's about 1.5 miles up, so it should be quick and easy. Up here at the top, and there's an outhouse back there, and here's the old ranger cabin So it's been vandalized and whatnot. Here's the outhouse. That's the trail up. That's the trail to the ranger cabin. And this is the trail to the fire tower. So this is the Hadley fire tower, originally built out of wood in 1916 and then rebuilt in 1920 out of steel. The cabin that we were at formerly was manned until 1990, and then in 1996 it was restored and it's been used in the summers since. We're at the top. I'll switch it around so it can be seen a little better. Here we are back at the Hadley Mountain Trailhead. Time to head to the next trail. Good morning. It is Friday, December 11th. It's about 30 degrees and we're headed up to Kane Mountain. We're heading home today, and this one's just a little detour off of our thruway jaunt home across the state. And Kane Mountain's pretty short. Hopefully we'll be up and down in a couple hours. But we got two different trail options. We have an option to go 1.2 miles or 0.8 miles. So we might just make a loop out of it. There's also an outhouse down here at the parking area. Logbook. A nice little parking area. We're parked just down that road a little ways where it's still plowed and on the road. So we're here at the Kane Mountain Fire Tower, ranger cabin back there. Both were built in 1925. The ranger cabin was rebuilt in 1961, and then it was manned until 1987. So let's go up this fire tower. All right, so over here you get a view of all of the Adirondack Park, or all that you could see at the very least. This is facing north, and that's Pine Lake. You get to see a little bit more over here, and that lake down there, right there, that's Green Lake. And on this side, you get to see West Lake, accompanied by Canada Lake. Canada Lake is this big long lake that goes from all the way down there almost to Green Lake. So that's gonna do it. Time to head back and head home. Catch you next time.